I love being out here. Good, bad, or indifferent, weather, I don't care. As a kid, you don't know what you're going through, and you think that everybody feels that same way. Everybody feels that you're always in pain. You think that everybody's like that, and then you complain that you don't feel good. You're in pain. You have doctors, your mother, father, grandparents tell you, "Oh, you're not in any pain. You're imagining. You don't have a headache. You just want attention." I had pain that was so bad that I'd pass out. And what really bothered me is that I wouldn't remember it. And I'd hear it later on from my brother. Hey, how come you passed out? I said, I don't remember passing out. Doctors had told me they couldn't do anything else but put me in a nursing home with a morphine pump. I wasn't even 40 years old. I like to be on the water. This is my life. You tell me I can't get on my boat, I can't, ski, I can't do any of this. No, you can't. We're going to put you in a nursing home. I didn't like that possibility. Then I found out from my brother that my niece was suffering from migraines really bad, so I started talking to my niece about what happened with me when I was her age. My sister-in-law found Dr. Reed. They went to the seminar, they went first, and my niece went through the procedure and loved it. Right after she got done, I was like, okay, my turn. and I went to his seminar. I drove up to Dallas. So I sat down and talked to him, and he did a really quick little evaluation, and he said, he goes, I think I can fix you. I never forgot that. I was like, brought tears to my eyes, because I was like, wow, check this out. The trial was supposed to be for a week. I didn't need that week for the trial. As soon as they turned it on, within seconds, I was like, wow, is this what normal feels like? I didn't understand. It took me a little while to comprehend, to understand what it was like not to have that headache on a daily basis. And because of the Reed migraine procedure, I've been able to return to the water, which is, I feel like a home on the water. But I've also been able to return to hiking, been able to return to the mountains. Went to Utah recently, up in the Utah mountains. Been able to ski up there, been able to water ski, which I couldn't do before. I couldn't water ski before because my headache was so bad that I couldn't hold on to the ropes. I walked in, and not just him, his staff, the staff from St. John's Medical, the nurses, the nursing assistants, they make you feel like family, they make you feel welcome. It says a lot when a doctor takes the care and time to explain things exactly what is going to happen, step by step, every step of the way.